Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tamika, and in tonight's video, I'll be showing you my productive fall evening routine. Now, if you like videos like this, you come to the right place. Motivation is here. Let's get this video starting. After being done with all of the homework, it is time for me to head to the kitchen and get dinner started. And tonight we'll be having chicken parm with a twist. And that twist is some spinach and artichoke. Guys, it was good. The kids were just hovering over the kitchen. And here are some of the ingredients. Here you'll see I got a pot of salted water to put the pasta in. And because of the little ones, I used the bow tie pasta to make it a little fancy. And on the other side, I got my pan heating with oil to go fry the chicken. It's time to get my spinach washed, packed dry of any excess water, and ready to cut it finely. I love using bacon grease for other cooking, so what I do is just pour it into a mason jar and refrigerate it. Here you'll see me reheating some garlic parmesan bread, and I got this from the freezer side of the dollar store. It is time to put it all together. Here you'll see I have the spinach, the bacon, and everything that needs to make this pasta a success. Guys, in the plate we have some chicken bouillon, some adobe seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and it's time to put it all together. Salt. You must add some salt to flavor. At this point, my kitchen is smelling amazing. My kids cannot wait. They're sitting at the table. At this point, I'm adding the punch, the bacon. That bacon just give it extra flavor. Guys, as you can see, it was a good one. Nothing was left back. And it's time for Mama Bear to start cleaning. Guys, at this point, I want to reintroduce myself. If you are new here, I want to thank you for subscribing. Thank you for checking this channel out. I am a mom of 5 beautiful kids. I'm married and have been married for the last 7 years to my amazing husband, Otto. Guys, we live in Florida. It's beautiful here. And I want to honestly say thank you for checking out this channel. I hope that this channel brings you lots of motivation. I will be uploading videos twice every week. And please leave a comment down below. Let me know how well you think I'm doing in these videos. Having little ones, I feel like the work never ends. Even though they clean up after themselves, I always go back over and just do the spot cleaning. There's some crumbs always somewhere. Guys, at this point, I am close to being done with my kitchen cleaning, and my husband is getting the kids ready for bed and waiting for both of us to read them a bedtime story. I sing them a little song before they go to sleep, and it goes like this. You've been anointed to prosper. You've been anointed to rise on high. Oh yeah, you've been anointed as an overcomer. Guys, they love hearing that song, and I love singing it to them. Guys, I am excited to say that my home is clean. My kids are tucked in, and Mama Bear is gonna have herself a night snack. I'll be having my favorite, a slice of cheesecake, and some warm turmeric, garlic, and honey tea. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and as usual, see you in another one.